Life leaves traces, but most are soon pushed out of memory. Things that have drifted away from memory still exist, but gradually become invisible to us. The street naturally creates loneliness between us, and lonely things quietly fade within time. Even though we barely recognize such changes at the moment they occur, time slowly decides what remains and what disappears. Over time, some relationships lose their meaning and quietly drift apart. Meaning is limited, and in time, it finishes its role. Even where meaning comes to a stop, time continues to flow unseen. Finiteness appears like extinction, but in fact, it is only preparation for moving into a larger cycle. Meaning is not endless. In time, it fulfills its role. What appears to be extinction is simply a step toward a greater cycle.